Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Also, guys, in the meeting, there are only 24 participants. I think four are from my team. So there are approximately 20 participants only. So if your friends or somebody hasn't joined or something, please ask them to join. I can wait for a minute or two. Usually the strength is not this low. Just check if there are students who are going to join and if there's some issue with the link or something. Check with your friends, guys. Okay, so we'll start the class for today. Uh, does anybody remember the task that was given to you yesterday, the homework kind of thing that I had given? Is anyone there who would like to present it or who has completed this? Is there anyone in the meeting? Has anyone completed the task that I had given yesterday? A no also is fine. If you're saying no, I'll give you time. If you're saying yes, then I will ask you what it is and how much you've done. Come to the chat box and please say yes or no. If you've done it, say yes. If not, and you need time to do it right now, I'll give you time. Say no, but say yes or no. Attendance will not be given to everybody who's just joining the meeting or not joining the meeting. Doesn't work that way. Yes or no, guys? Did you do it or not? You guys have done it? Isha and Daniel, have you guys done it? Isha and Daniel, both of them have said yes. Have you guys done the task? Yes. Okay. Isha and Daniel, would you like to present what you've done? We'll start with Daniel. Daniel, will you present what you've done? Will you be able to present it right now? Okay, please share that on the chat box. I'll present it. What about Isha? Isha, are you ready to present it? Isha, will you present it? What about Hiba? What about Farheen? What about Sailila? Yeah. Can we please give them the access to please share their screen? Shushmita, can we give them access to share their screen and unmute themselves? Isha would like to
Yeah.
present her work.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'll give 2 minutes.
Hmm. Isha, as soon as you get the access to share your screen, please start sharing your screen and presenting your work. Okay, Isha. Okay, guys. For those of you who are not aware, okay, of what was the task given to you yesterday, basically, I'll say it out again and I'll give you some time. Do it because this is something which is important, right? Yesterday, because the next topic that I'm going to move towards, for that, you need to understand what we had covered so far. What we you were asked to do is something which is necessary. So I'll tell you what you have to do. Please go ahead and do it. Okay. I will paste something in the chat box, right? So what you have to do is, one second. Yeah. So what you have to do is you will have to present a, how do I say, a deck which has all of these things. Let me just put it up in the chat box and then you can do it. One second. Yeah. I hope you can see it. Basically, what you have to do is you can pick a existing brand, a new brand, anything up to you. Okay. You can pick a brand. Then you need to brand name. So let's say you're picking any brand and you want to change the name, you have to change the name or you can come up with a new brand. Okay. Next, you will have to design a logo for that brand. This can again be done on Canva itself. Next thing will be a brand color. You need to decide a brand color. Okay, and that needs to be followed throughout the throughout the deck that you're creating. Next, a very catchy tagline. Yesterday we discussed about taglines, right? So a catchy tagline, also the target audience, right? Who you're targeting, what you're doing. Then an Instagram bio, what an Instagram bio should be of that particular brand. Then your content ideas. Let's say what the first three content that you would post. What would it be? What would it look like? Is it a poster? Is it a reel? Whatever it is, you need to design that. And these three content ideas you have to decide. Whereas the advertisement, you just have to put up an idea of how you want your advertisement to look. I will give you 15 minutes. Please go ahead and do this. Those of them who would not be able to present it will be removed from this meeting. So obviously you will not have your attendance link, nothing. I want each and every one to go ahead and do it. I can pick anybody. If you're not able to present the work, you will at least have to submit your work over here in the chat box. Each and every one. Because we have a system of documentation, I will have to document your work over there. So for that, I would require this. All of you, please go ahead and create this deck. If you have any doubts, come to the chat box, ask me the doubts. If no doubts are there, please go ahead and do it right away. I'm giving you 15 minutes, everyone. How many of you are working on what I have told you? Just come to the chat box, say yes. All those of you who are working on the task that I have given you right now, come to the chat box and say yes. Rajshri, okay. Who else? Hiba, Sagira, Lavanya, Runmai, Devi. Okay. About to complete Hardeep. Okay. SS Hiramat. Okay. Fine. Complete this task right away. I'm giving you exactly 15 minutes only. Anybody who's done with their work and would like to present? Anyone? Anybody who's done with their work and would like to present? Daniel, I had a look at your PPT, but the entire PPT itself is AI generated. I mean, I'm fine with you using the templates and all, but having an entire I mean, PPT generated from AI, where is your creativity and all of that? How do I assess it? Okay, fine. I will present it. We'll look into it. Is it possible for you to move to a location where you can yourself present your work? Will that be possible for you? Okay. Anybody who's ready with their work? I'll just present Daniel's work to you once so we can see what is happening. Just a moment. Yes, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. Is it visible, guys? Yes. Okay, this is Daniel's work. So, as you can see, it is a brand to do with, just one second. Yeah, it is a brand to do with food. It's called Snack with Yenis, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. So, this is their primary logo, which is used for their official branding, whereas they have two logos. One second. They have two logos. The other one is for your social media engagement. But just a question, why is there no brand name on the logo? Uh, Let me check, is it there or not? Yenis, okay, that is there. Snack with Yenis is there over here. And in the other place, it is, okay, that is there. Yeah, in the other one, also it is there. Snack with Yenis. So these are the colors they're using. There are four particular colors that they'd be using for their entire content. Just one second. Yeah, okay. This is their tagline, snack with yenis, and it is also snack, smile, and repeat. Okay. Okay, this is for students, families, young adults, and snack lovers. This is their Instagram bio, which also has the address of this particular thing. Snack that understands the assignment. Sweet, crunchy, buttery, Rajkot snack with snacks with personality. Nice. That's a nice bio. Okay, so these are the initial three posts. First post is where seeing the snack, the girl gets happy. Second one is for different moods. The first one is a prep one. Good. Nice. This is nice. The advertisement is nice. It's come out well. Very relatable to students, which is one of your target audience. Good job, Daniel. It's come out well. It's nice. Good job. Yes. Anybody else would like to present? Anybody who's ready? Anybody who's ready and would like to present? Shanawaz, where is your work today? Wasn't in the mood to work, is it? Hiba, are you ready to present? Sai Leela also, are you done? And all those of you who said yes, are you guys done? You need some more time? What is it? Please update me in the chat box. 15 minutes, ma'am. Oh my God, Hiba, 15 minutes is too much, dear. What about the rest of them? How much more time? Okay, Shanawaz. Please, you only present it. Rajshri will take 5 minutes. Okay. Shanawaz, I think you have the access to present it. You only present your work. Let's see. for a first try. And honestly, there's nothing called as a right or a wrong. There is nothing like that as such. Whatever it is, it's fine. You're still in the learning process. It's not like you're a digital marketing expert and then you've made a mistake. You're learning, so making mistakes is normal. Yeah, Shanavaz, are you able to present? Just check. Okay, Shanavaz, I'll present it for you. Just unmute yourself. Okay, I'll present it for you. One second. Yeah, Shanavaz, are you able to unmute yourself? Yes or no, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Would you like to say something about this brand? What is it? What does it do?
Ma'am, this is a clothing brand. Yesterday, I prepared
Okay.
about fast fit strategy.
Okay. Yeah. Tell us about this. Can you explain this slide, Shanavaz?
Yes, ma'am. Brand identity at a glance. How the brand is providing about nowadays. People are very difficult about the fittings. How the most of the clothes are coming unbrands and unsized about this one. So we have. I just created how to provide a service to our customers.
Okay.
And understanding our target uh, to our audience, those who are connected with us and those who are promoting our brand and coming to us to buy our brand, our clothes and
Okay. What next?
we are just preparing up to 18 to 30 years
Yeah, this is your target
people are
audience. Tell us
children.
something about this. Tell us about your target audience.
Ma'am,
This particular slide. Do you have anything to say about this? What is the
how
meaning of this
this
slide? What is this?
how we set a trend nowadays. They are coming many of trends coming like Korean pants and shirts are like baggy in olden days. Many of heroes are using baggy pants and shirts, long color shirts and all. So again these are coming like a trend from now.
Okay. Okay.
So
The next one.
how we are presenting in Instagram stories and reels and key tactics.
Would you like to tell why this entire deck is black? Any specific reason?
because it shows a old, look and very aesthetic. I think so, ma'am.
Okay. Also, I see that your brand is for a Gen Z crowd. So,
Yes, ma'am.
like that, you would like to do something like this, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hoodies and t-shirts and
Yeah.
trousers.
What is this? You want to promote
Twitter,
your brand on Twitter?
ma'am.
You want to promote your brand on Twitter? It says Twitter X strategy.
Twitter.
So, what is that?
No, ma'am. I want to I want to promote my brand Instagram and all Facebook and Twitter.
Okay, so why is this Twitter/X strategy?
Out of our India, also we can connect with the
Promote it.
people.
That's why. Yeah. Tell us about your tactics
Yeah.
or basically your strategies.
Influencer and partnerships. Many of influencer and content creators are there. They are promoting many brands and also clothing brands and many cafes and like so on so on. So we can use them and we can promote our brand also.
Okay. Okay. And this is your
And
final get
also
in
many
touch.
paid advertisement.
Okay, Shanavas, do you do digital marketing anywhere as of now?
No, ma'am.
You're learning so you can start.
Ma'am.
Which city do you live in?
Ma'am, I live in Kolar.
Oh, yeah, I remember you told me. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, good job. Good job, Shanavas. For the first time, it's a great work. Good.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know how about this idea. I just tried once.
It's come out well. Just a little bit of content, adding a little bit of your touch. Like, I know this is
Mm.
your idea, you've designed it like this, but adding a little bit of touch of your own would also be nice. So
Okay,
good.
ma'am. I will try next time.
Done, done, done. Good job. Very
Okay.
nice.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am. Thank you.
Rajshri, are you able to share your screen, my dear? Rajrushri, are you able to share your screen? No, ma'am, I just came from office, so you will not be able to share your screen. Will you be able to speak so I can display your work and you can explain about it? Perfect. Okay, 1 second. Let me just download it. Just 1 second. Yes, I hope everyone can see my screen. Rajshri, please unmute yourself and tell us what this is. Yeah, Rajshri, please unmute yourself. Are you able to unmute yourself? Rajshri, dear, are you able to unmute yourself? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Please unmute yourself and explain about your work. I cannot hear you. You are not audible, maybe, and I guess you are still on mute. You need to unmute yourself. We cannot hear you. We cannot hear you at all. Just check with your connectivity issue, no problem. Isha, would you like to present your work? Share your screen and present your work, dear. Isha, share your screen and present your work. Okay. Oh, wonderful. You've done this on Canva. Good, good, good job. Please present it. Ha. Please tell us about this.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Actually, this is the brand which I make 2 years ago when I exploring my career in this field. But that time didn't have any mentor or guidance, so I quit it. So I make a tag on it. Basically a jewelry brand for women accessories. So this is my first page. Its brand name is Walk-in Sales.
Okay.
This is my second slide. It's about walk-in sales, modern jewelry for daily wears. And at, in this time, women had hard to find the jewelry for daily wears. So this brand basically solves this problem for women. This is our logo. Uh, this is this third slide, which represents the concept of our logo. The circle represents the connection between us and our customer and their trust. W represents the brand identity, and the shopping bags represent the shopping experience, and the standing line represent the balance and modern design in affordable way. This is the concept of our logo. This slide represents our brand color, black, white, and orange golden, which represent a premium feel. Black represent a luxury and elegance, and white clean and modern. Even we packaging our product in this color. This is the brand tagline, made to be noticed.
Good, good. That's a
Uh,
really nice tagline. Good job with the tagline. It's a good tagline.
yeah. These are our products, modern and affordable for every woman that find daily wears. Our targeted audience between 9 to 35 years, young women who fashion lovers or love online shopping.
Okay.
I already created an Insta page, so I put it. This is the bio
Okay.
and
Good, good.
post already. I've done it.
Scroll. Okay, you cannot scroll, right? Acha, okay.
Yeah. This is my first content idea. This is my first poster. I also add the logo and the tagline here. This is my second poster.
Okay.
This is the video.
Nice. Very nice. So this can be run as an ad, right?
Yes.
Nice, Isha. What do you do? Like, are you a student? Are you working? What do you do?
I am a student in data analyst.
You're studying data analysis.
Yes.
Which college?
In Gujarat, Sardar Vallabhbhai Global University.
Oh, you study there. Good job. So you are like from Gujarat.
Yes.
Good job. Nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sagira, would you like to present your work? Sagira, would you like to present your work? You've sent me the work, but would you like to present it? I'm in office, unable to speak. Okay. Okay, good job, Sagira. That has come out well. Good job. Nice. Okay. Anybody else who would like to show their work? Anyone present at the meeting who would like to showcase their work? Hardeep wants to. Please go ahead and present your work, Hardeep. Please go ahead. Hardeep, I hope you've done something except Ragi chips.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, Hardeep, please. Is it again Ragi chips or something else?
No, ma'am. It's
Good job. Something else besides Ragi chips.
Can you share my screen? See my screen?
Yes, we can.
Wait a second. So today I'm only touch the base of the how the logo should be used. It's a brand guidelines. So I haven't touched the base of things regarding branding, the whole branding. I'm only showing the how to use the logo for particular brand. So brand name, I'm showing. So the brand name is FMCG Agri. And
Okay, what does this brand do?
brand work directly with the farmers. So they supply the product directly to the e-commerce, quick commerce.
Okay.
So I'm only touching the base. Actually, I have a very tight schedule time, so I'm only able to touch the only about the logo. So mission and vision is also pending. I can explain about it on the only over the voice. So the first concept is the our logo. So this is the primary logo. It's a FMCG agree. And in case there are two type of logos the brand can use. If the affiliate can also use. The one is vertical one. The vertical one is clearly visible. It's sometime we have to use the vertical one. At the some place we have to use a horizontal one. So there's a clear guidelines. The vertical logo that we can use, the brand can use, the affiliate can use, because sometime we partnership with some third party, so they do use the wrong type of logo that's against our branding. So that's why we are providing doing this brand guidelines, created the document for brand guidelines. Uh,
Okay.
and the logo color. So mostly the we have seen the some of our customers when we share the logo with them, they use their own color. So it's against our brand guidelines. So we have to make it sure to our logo are used in the particular manner. So we don't it's not get hamper our branding. So there are four colors as you mentioned, and how it will look in monochrome logo in white and black. We also showed that. And their scalability is also issue sometime when we use the logo. So how we can use it, how it will look in the 25% size reduce, 50% size reduce, and the 25% 75% size reduce. And we also I also add the logo space safe zone in the book. So and with logo what to do and what to not do. They can use the upper two one logo. Sometime we have to sometime we tie up with the company and third parties. So there's always the third party use the logo, their particular logo. So sometimes they use only they have their own branding, so they do use the only black logo, sometimes white logo. So that's why it's very necessary to us to provide them the guidelines if they want to use a black logo and in a single color. So they should use that way. And in a proper color, they should use the first one, and they don't need to add the multicolor and the shadow, drop shadow. They usually do. And the color palette of the logo is forest green, lime green, and yellow orange, and dark chocolate charcoal. And about the typography we are using the it's a free open source font. It's a Poppins. It's a build. It's a we can we it's a freely available. So we're using the Poppins, and it's also very easy to read online. And because we are doing the mostly work in the online, so it should be readable. So we use the Poppin font by Google. And social media part, we have I have not just elaborate about how should we look the profile and how the logo should be placement, and how the brand it's a line, it's clear from the from farm to your kitchen. It's the service provide with the help of quick commerce. You can the farmers apply to the directly quick commerce. We work as a being technology partner between them to make the chain sustainable, optimized and sustainable.
Okay.
And this is story, and this is the stationary part, and this is all. It's a end from my side.
Good job, Hardeep. It's come out really well.
Yeah.
Very nice. Good.
Actually, ma'am, I have an issue with time. So currently, I have to travel again and again, and traveling one place to another place, and I also have office time. So I have only 20 to 30 minutes. So I have designed using this Adobe Illustrator software.
Okay. Nice. It's come out really well. It's still really good.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Yes. So, guys, we'll be moving to the next part today. Okay. What we're going to be, what the plan for today is basically with your website designing. Okay. I'll just share my screen 1 second. I'll share my entire screen so you can see what we're going to be doing. So there are two ways you're going to learn how to design a website. Okay. One is from scratch, from absolute scratch, where I will be teaching you, how you design, how you start from the designing part, everything. The other is the AI generated website. Okay. These are two ways in which you can make your website. Now, the difference that happens is the AI generated website security is much lesser, whereas when you design your own website, the security is much higher. Okay. So I'll just share my screen. I'll start off with the one. I hope my entire screen is visible to you guys. Just 1 second. One second. Yeah. So now I'll be sharing the screen and you will be able to see how we go ahead and use Canva to start off with, okay, for your website designing. So here you see there are, like we explored, many options are there. One option that is present over here is your website. Okay, I'll click on the website. Same procedure, how you actually created your PPTs, how they were templates and all of that. The same thing is going to be followed here as well. How do we go ahead? I'll tell you. Here there are templates, options for your templates. Okay, various options are there. There are some templates that are already ready, some templates you will have to create. So example, I want to go with some food. Okay, a website for us food. So this the sweet donut circle. Apply to all 4 pages. Now I want to change this to the name as what's it? This name I will change it to as A's Sweet Corn. This is going to be the name of our brand. Okay. This is the brand we're naming it. Right. Now coming to the second page, here is one of the donut of the day, right? Whatever the change I want. If I want, I can delete everything. I'll select everything, delete everything, everything is gone. Okay. Here I want to add this image. So I'll copy this, paste this here. I will pull it down. Okay. Then I will add elements. So I will generate donuts ka picture. Yeah. So I don't want to use this image. I want to use this. Okay. And I want to write text of the best donut in town. Sorry. Donuts in town. Come grab yours now. Okay. Now about this. So what I will do is I'll change the color, change it to red. Okay. Or maybe a gradient color. I'll increase the size to 100. Okay. For this particular thing, I will also add effects. This density will be, yeah. And then I wanted to animate as well. So I will animate it something like this. Done. Now coming to the next page. Okay, this looks fine. The last page. I don't want to rate your experience. Okay, rate your experience here. Here I want to use the contact details under that. Okay, let's say I'm putting the number, address, and done. I've created a website. Now, let me see what my website is going to look like. This is going to be the first page. As soon as you open the website, this is going to be hit that sweet spot. Next thing, when I come to the menu, this is how it's going to be. Okay, I'll put it on full screen. This is how it's going to be on your menu page. If I'm going to branches, this is how it's going to be. If I go to contact, this is how it's going to be. Okay. Now I want to see it on phone, what it will look like. This is how it's going to look like on phone. So over here I have the option of home. This is what it will look like on phone. Okay. Now, how do you edit this? I'll show you. One second. Yeah. This is your home page, right? See this? There are two pages in your home page. You can also, two sections, you can add one more section. Then coming to your menu page, this is what is there. You can add another section, right? Coming to your branches page, this is what is there. You can add another section. Contact page. Let's say I want to add a new page. Example, this page I want to name it as reviews. Okay, for your reviews. So simple. I will name this page first. Add page title. I will add. I've added reviews. Now I will choose elements here. I will add happy. Add this. Let's say I want to use this video. This is an advertisement video. Now this video ka speed I want to increase to 3. Now with 3 I want to increase it to 5. Now I'll add another section. In this section I want to add so this is from a wedding. I've added this. Now what I'm going to do is I will view my website again. So I'll come back to this view. I'll go to the reviews page. See, you can just add your elements. Now, coming to how do I publish this website? Click on publish website over here. You will need to have a domain name, right? Use a custom domain. See, claim a free Canva domain. You can. You can click on that, click on continue. Once that is done, you will have your this thing and you have to click on publish. Done. Not just that, you can also share. Example, somebody asks you, tell me how your website is. So what I'll do is I'll copy the link. Uh, copy, allow only view access. Okay. Then I will go open a new tab. Yeah. You see, they are getting exactly what my website is going to look like. They are only going to be able to view it, nothing else. When they click on preview, they'll be able to view it. So let's say somebody's asking you to design a website and you would just want to show them what it is going to look like a prototype. It's just signing up. Okay, like a prototype kind of thing. You just want to share that. So you can go ahead, design it on Canva, and you are done. This is all it will take, and you will be done. Got it? Any doubts with this, anyone? The chat box is open, guys. Any doubts with this one? No. Okay. Good job. I will give you a chance to present it. I'll tell you. Okay, next. Since you're saying no doubt, we'll move on to the next part, which is, you're basically no doubts. Okay. We'll move on to the next part, which is an AI generated website. Okay. We'll generate an AI developed website. Let me log in first. Shanavas, please mute yourself. No, actually, I used the wrong one. One second. Yeah, yeah, I will log in with another email ID. Okay, I have logged in. This is the light. Here. Okay. So what I will do is I will go first to ChatGPT. I am creating a website like KFC called PFC. Give me a prompt to ask the question. This is the prompt it has given me. Instead of giving it your own prompt, you can also give it your own prompt, your own details. Now, writing so many details will not make sense for me. So that's why I asked ChatGPT only to give me the details also. And now I've pasted this here. It is building on it, it's working on it. See the kind of details we have given. Just go through these details. See the amount of details we have given. Hero section, large banner, everything that you want. Order now, explore menu, smooth enhance, whatever you want, all of that you will enter here. It is creating the website.
Anil,
Please mute yourselves, guys. Do not unmute yourself. Please mute yourself. Makeen, please mute yourself. Yeah. Still editing it. Hold on for a second. This is how you can actually go ahead and create your entire website in hardly few minutes. And lately, for digital marketing, why you can start your career much earlier is because maximum brands, they ask you to design a website, and lately this is one of the websites, one of the platforms where you can design your websites. There are also platforms where you can design an entire website with decent amount of security in next to 10 minutes to 20 minutes. All it takes is your design, the prompt that you give. You see the prompt over here, the prompt I have given. So let's say I'm giving this prompt by myself, it's going to take some time and a little bit of creativity, right? So that is required. Rest, and then of course you give time to the particular platform to design and all of that. That's all. Nothing more than that would be required. That is all it takes. Just 1 second. It'll be done in a minute. See, all of these things are being added to that website. So the work so far, you can see it here. Preview has been loaded. Just yeah, I think that's our preview. We'll go ahead and see it. Yeah, I know why it's not loading. Yes, perfect. This is what it's going to look like. If you can see, right? Best fried chicken, voted one. You can also click on your order now, explore menu. So this is the menu we have. This is the pricing. In the prompt, you can also specify the pricing, right? Now let's say I grab it as an add to cart. There is a cart option also. You can add your items to the cart, right? However you want to go about it. So literally, how long did it take for me to design this entire website? Everything, your name, email ID, whatever is required, everything is going to be here. You can go ahead and send them a message. This is the location that's put. You can put up your own location based on what you want to. So this is how simple it is to, actually create a website. Hardly takes 10, 20 minutes and your website will be ready, right? So you can do it on Canva or on Lovable. Try using Lovable and Canva both. You will see the difference. So you can go ahead and start doing this right now. If you have any doubts, please come, let me know. I shall clear your doubts. So right now, what I want you to do is 5 minutes. 5 minutes for what, Makeen? Okay. So you can take up to, you can take some time, design both your AI generated as well as Canva websites, and then we shall discuss that. Is it clear? Can I get a yes or a no? Have you guys understood what you're supposed to do, what your task is? The chat box is open for you guys. Have you understood what your task is, what you have to do? Do you want me to demonstrate again how Lovable or Canva is working? Or have you guys understood? Sailila understood. What about the rest? Okay, just two of them. Guys, joining at 8:30, filling the attendance link is not going to get you the certificate. It does not work like that. Just joining at 8:30 and filling the feedback form is not going to give you the certificate. Yeah. So all those of you have said yes, please go ahead and present it. The rest of them, we will figure out what to do with them. Please go ahead and start working on this. I want to see your work. It is hardly going to take one prompt to design it and another 5 minutes to work on Canva. Please go ahead and get done with this, everyone. If you have any doubts, come to the chat box, ask me the doubts. I shall clear your doubts. Yes, Jyoti, I think you can present that work also. There's no problem. You can present that work. Yeah, guys, is anybody done? I see you shared a link.
ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು
Guys,
ಕೇಸ್
please
ಫೋಟೋ
mute
ಬರುತ್ತೆ
yourselves.
ಅಂತ
Guys, please mute yourselves. Yeah. Okay. You've shared a link, if I am not wrong, Jyoti Ram. Can you share your screen and present your work? You can share your screen and present your work. And about the rest of them, what is the update? Yes, Hiba, please go ahead and share your screen and you can present your work. Please go ahead and share your screen. Will you be able to share your screen? Share your screen and tell us about your work.
Good evening,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. Good evening, Himba. Please go on.
Above all, I'd like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. So, uh, during March, I've made this website, which is the title of this website is IntelliHire, or you can just say the name of the website is IntelliHire. And this logo here, I have designed it using design.com website. And here you can see the description of what actually IntelliHire is. It is actually a AI resume screening and matching platform where the job description and the skills that are present in your resume are matched using the concept. There's this matching system in machine learning. So we use that concept to design.
We cannot hear you, Himba. I think,
Yes, ma'am, the co-host has muted me.
yeah, please go on.
Okay, so this is called the hero page, and if there's this header section, this is called the header section in which you can see the option sign in, and this is called the toggle mode. If you click on it, it will be the bright screen and the dark screen. So, and this is called the footer page, footer section, where you will see the details of who have developed it, and this was developed by Hiba Fatima and my co-partner Farheen Khanam. So if I click on start analysis rather than sign in, here sign we have the authentication, right? So without authentication and without any authorization, if I just click on start analysis and this clickable buttons or due to the JSON programming language, which is basically a programming language. So if I click on start analysis, it will take you to the authorization page. So you can, from the hero section or from the hero page or the title page, you can directly click on the sign in button, or even if you do not click on the sign in button, it will take you to this page. This is called login page. So here, the only database that I created is a false database because I do not have the access to API. I did not purchase the APIs. If I purchase the APIs, I'll be able to I'll be able to have the access to the profiles which are present in the LinkedIn. Right now, I do not have the access to the resumes that are present in the LinkedIn because the resumes will have the personal information like their name, their skills, their qualifications. So I just was and if I use this email, I've used my email, and we can give expert like because of so if I sign, okay, I have to sign up first. I have the options of uh name and any, and we have to select the role. Why? Because for what purpose type. For if you're HR, you use them to screen the resumes that are present in the applications like LinkedIn or anywhere, or for any companies if you upload your resume. So if you, why do we usually upload our resumes? Because we're seeking for any job, right? So if you click on fresh, it will show you. I've mentioned three, I put up three roles here. HR, he uses your information to screen the resume, and the fresher here you can actually get access to some dummy resumes. Dummy resumes in the sense you can check if your resume is ATS friendly or implemented and on which you to perform. And recruiter is obviously someone who recruits you from the company. So if I click on HR and create account, here I have to it is the HR dialog. And if I click on these three dots, it will show me the details of whoever has signed in or signed up in this in this website. And I have to sample role. I've already made this for the job description. For example, if I want data analyst and I have to pay some,
I think Hiba has left the meeting. Okay. Hiba, are you there?
hear me now?
Hiba, are you there?
I got logged out of this meeting.
Okay, okay. Please go on.
Okay. Okay. So for job description, I've chosen a data analyst
We cannot
role,
see your
and for this
screen,
I
my
have to
dear.
paste some.
We cannot see your screen, Hiba.
Is it visible now?
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay. So in the job description, I paste a data analyst role from the company Deloitte, which I've already kept in the database. And here you have to paste the resume. For example, if I had to choose, if I choose this resume, one of my friend's resume, you can see this. So if I, for example, let's say I want to Deloitte, right? Okay. For data analyst, let's say I uh, collect and clean data, create dashboards, and few skills I'd like to mention there: SQL, Python, and here data collect and clean would be data cleaning and processing, and data visualization. Okay. If I have here, I in the job description I choose data analyst Deloitte. If I start screening, it will show me these are already the false false candidate resumes which I already kept in the database. So among the 50 candidates here, why it is showing screen 50 candidates, because I've already kept 50 candidates resume in the database. As I've already said, because I don't have the access to APIs, so I will not be able to use the true resumes. So here the number of eliminated candidates are 40, and the only selected candidates would be 10. And it has shown the amount of percentage or the number of skills that has matched to the particular job resume. Okay. So here Hiba and here Hiba profile is shown because during the sign up page we have used the name Hiba, so it is showing the name Hiba. If I had to log out of this screen, I can simply log out, and this is what my website looks like, which I built during the one of my uh, which I built during the uh, Sai Sanketika. It's one of the fests that is conducted in our college. Okay, so and So if we, ma'am, if you permit me, I'll show my uh, the aesthetic task also.
Yes, please go on, Hiba. Please. Also, guys, just one thing. There is your attendance link put in the meeting. Please go ahead and fill that. This thing, that's your attendance link. Attendance link is in the chat box. Please fill that up. Yeah, Hiba, you can go on.
My screen visible?
Yes, we are still on the Lovable app page. Is that the page?
No, am I actually open? Wait. Okay.
Share your entire screen. Maybe then it'll be visible.
Is it visible now?
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay. So I've actually built the a clothing brand, which is ethnic fusion clothing brand, which is named as Tavira. It is also present in Portuguese, but I've selected this name because it sounds more premium, modern, and culturally elegant. And it also aligns with positioning of an ethnic fusion fashion brand, targeting the younger audiences. So, because why I chose this clothing brand to promote is uh, nowadays people are very much particular about what they wear and how they want to look, how they want to look. And every place or every meeting, for example, let's say meeting, we have to be in not we cannot go in some casuals or in some baggy jeans, vagera stuff. We have to be formal, right? So the tagline. So I've chose Tavira, which basically is what do we say? Tradition meets trends. And the tagline would be tradition reimagined. And I used the color here is deep red, or you can say basically maroon, because the maroon color represents royalty, the premium color, premium or the classic nature. And in the second slide, I tried to show the brand review, where And about this tagline, I'd like to say that this tagline usually communicates the core brand message. It reflects how traditional ethnic fashion is being redesigned in modern and contemporary way. As we are very much particular about how do we look and how we have to style ourselves. And in the second thing, I've tried to explain the brand overview here, Trivia, as I've already mentioned, that Trivia it is a ethnic fusion fashion brand identity that blends traditional Indian culture with a little bit taste of a modern uh, clothing, like let's say jeans. It's not our Indian clothing culture, right? It's something that was introduced by Britain or British culture. It's a British culture. And in the third slide, I used this ivory on the background because it's more subtle and pleasing to look. The logo idea here, it reflects uh, here, as you can see, the trivia in the T. I used that for Sinzil. I used the Sinzil style as a central symbol to as a subtle ethnic influence. And I've used the mandalas around as you can see here, I've used some mandalas around the peak. And brand name idea, the idea behind this would be uh, a combination of tradition and aura, with representing the blend of, as I've already mentioned, it represents a blend of both cultures and modern elegance. And here the color brands I used are maroon and gray orange, or we can say ivory, because it shows the cultural richness and modern elegance. And here I've tried to show the target audience, which are from 18 to 35 years. And that's where mostly the prime of an individual is. So the target audience includes the fashion conscious conscious individuals aged from 18 to 35, especially the college students and young professionals who prefer culturally inspired yet trendy fashion choices. So I tried to make it, more attractive using the maroon because maroon is an eye-catchy color. And here in this, I've used the color shade of an ivory, which matches to this clothing brand, which matches to this cloth here or the outfit which is shown here. And here the Instagram branding style, if I had to promote this trivia in real, in actual, I'd like to use this strategy. Like as we all know, Instagram acts as the primary digital marketing platform. The content strategy focuses on aesthetics, storytelling, fashion inspiration, and audience engagement through visual consistent posts and reels. And if I actually had to make a Instagram page and if I had to put a Instagram bio, it would look something like this. And the content strategy here is designed to improve engagement and brand visibility, styling reels, transformation content, and festive fashion inspiration, which can also help increase audience interaction and shareability. Here, the content details. As in the previous yesterday's task, we have asked to present any three content ideas, but I've presented two here. So, for example, let's say ethnic sari. We are styling an ethnic sari here, which is a shade of green. So normally we wear a sari in the form of this, but through this trivia, we can, for branding purpose or for promoting or for advertisement, we can try to wear this sari or we can try to style this sari in this six different forms. So the advertisement here uses emotional storytelling and visual transformation. Here we can see the visual transformation of how this one single sari can be used in this five different forms. And here I've tried to this olive color lehenga, which is a mix of both the Indian culture and the Western culture. So here it is a seasonal content series of festivals, like if we see for Diwalis or for weddings, this kind of outfits are very much eye-catching. And in the last slide, I have presented the content details. These are not the real, obviously, because it is one of the uh, what do we say? It is not one of the real branding which I actually shared. It is one of the imaginary brandings or imaginary brand that I actually shared. And finally, during conclusion, I'd like to say that trivia is positioned as a modern ethnic fusion fashion identity that can combine both cultural aesthetics with contemporary digital branding strategies. So, the reason behind this creation or choosing this brand, or like as I said, clothing brand would be individuals are very much particular about how they want to present themselves. So, yes, thank you.
Good job, Hiba. Good job. Really nice. It's come out really well. Good job.
Okay. Can I stop sharing the
Ye-
screen?
Yes, yes, yes. And the way you have presented the work that you have done is really nice. Like, the first day itself, I had said, doing the work is one thing, and being able to explain what you have done is another thing. It is two different skills. It is not the same. So amazing job. Really well, well. Like, I'm really happy with the way you've presented your entire work. And, I can see the effort that is gone behind this. So good job, Heba. Where are you from? Like, which city are you in?
Uh, I'm from Andhra Pradesh state, ma'am.
You're from
The city.
Bangladesh. You're studying right now?
I'm pursuing my
Your voice is breaking, Heba. You are pursuing your
I've I'm pursuing my degree in Bachelor's of Technology.
BTech.
Yes, BTech.
Which field? I mean, which domain?
Computer Science.
Good job, good job. Nice. Which college are you from?
Sri Sai Institute of Technology and Science, which is affiliated under JNTUA.
Oh, good job. And what is why digital marketing? Like you wanna build your own brand or what is it?
Actually, ma'am, I've grown an interest in, like, if I had two paths to choose, and even now I have two paths to choose. Like, if I had to work as an employee, I can choose this tech field. Or if I have, right now, I don't say that I have enough content or enough knowledge for me to start my own brands or start my own products. Let it be some websites that I own, or let it be some websites that I can integrate some AIs into it and publish it. Or let's say if I had to make some develop some applications and I had to sell them. So I don't have that much knowledge in this field right now, but I hope I'll be able to get such skills. Or if I don't want to get into that tech field, I have a little bit interest in promote building my own brands, or let's say building my own products and sell them. And so this is the reason why I wanted to uh, take this
Join
course,
this.
digital marketing.
Good job, really nice. You know, if entrepreneurship is one of the most hardest, yet one of the most beautiful journeys to be on in terms of your career. So, again, good that you have a backup plan as well. You have a main plan. Very, very nice. Good. Yes,
Thank you.
anybody else who would like to present their work? Anybody else in the meeting who would like to present their work? Hardeep. Yes, please go on, Hardeep. Let us see the PPT you have, or sorry, the website you have created. What did you create this on, Hardeep? Is it on Canva or is it on, and please hoping it's not Ragi chips.
Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Is your
So
website Ragi
forgive
chips?
me if I make some mistake. Actually, I'm a little bit tired today.
No problem.
Yeah. So I have built for the same brand FMCG Agri. So the idea is so I have run the tokenization for today. So I am unable to use the same logo, but I have applied the same branding on it.
Okay.
So the idea, as I explained to you, I also put the same prompt to same share to the tool Lovable. So the outcome I have I have designed that way so I can get the maximum queries from the farmer side and the partner side. As explained, the FMGCG agrees work as a tech platform and provide services that you can clearly see the first page of the website. It's a no mediation and no middleman margin from the farmer to your city kitchen, and it's a website for it's a design for farmers and the aggregators like Blinkit. It can be Blinkit, it can be Swiggy, it can be the high-end stores, so they can register themselves. So this is some stats how we are working currently, and the platform about the how it's work. We have explained the plan and source and move and settle how it settle to the main purchaser, and also we explain about the better prices for farmer, fresher produce for the cities. So the gap is between the farmers and the cities is, I think the Blinkit is already doing the same work. Some at some stages. What we are doing, we are not undermining the farmers. We are not doing uh, taking the much margin from them. We are just taking margin from the paying them the good price, and we are directly selling to the aggregators and take the whole responsibility of service and tax. And this kind of these are also by FMCG. These are the key deficient I have mentioned, and logistic company that thinks like a farmer. A fair price discovery, cold chain activity, a single window for partners, and a zero shrinkage promise. It come out very well with a single prompt, I believe. About us, it's a news spine for India fresh food food supply. It's a really problem I found out. I'm also son of a farmer, so it's really difficult to us to sell this directly our fresh produce from the farm to. So I'm so directly idea I put into the how we can solve the problem. So how FMCG agrees come into existence, and the service we provide farm procurement, cold chain management, last mile fulfillment, traceability and demand planning, and private label SKU. And you can request for a proposal, and this page is designed for farmers who can see what the other benefit they are getting from us, and they can raise their query with this form. And the partners also, there's also page for partners who can see the benefit working with us and directly raise a query. And the other one is our contact. And the other thing, as I mentioned earlier about my other startup, it's Step Clever. So I have also built a tool for it. So certain time I feeling the issue with the how to search a better job if you want to prepare for the job. Some I feel the lag with the skills. So I decide to build a tool for the professional and the students also. So it's not an idea; it's a fully fledged working tool. So is there anyone who can work with some want to work with some particular company for field particular profession? You can share with the chat so I can help with what they should focus on the live stream. Can somebody share the company name and the profile name?
You're asking for the profile name of what, Hardeep?
Uh, it helped to generate the road path for the career. So if you want to suppose you want to work for a Blinkit, so you don't have an idea but how Blinkit work and how the hidings there, how should we prepare, how should you prepare. It's create a roadmap, proper roadmap. It's tried and tested. I have sourced so many things to build it. So you can share I can share the live demo of the tool.
Okay.
Company name and profile name. You want to get hired for it and build career for.
So if I give you the details, you'll be able to do it, is what you're saying, right?
Yeah. If you
So
can't, I
let's
can
say
also.
we'll pick Hiba's example itself. Let's say you're going for you want a job role of, in Deloitte of a data analyst. On what have you created this?
Studio.ai for Google. It's a Google
Okay.
platform.
On Google. Fine. LYST.
Is it correct?
Or go for TCS. Just put TCS. Instead of Deloitte, just put TCS.
So how it works? I am explaining you one by one how I am crunching the data from where and how it's working. So a major platform I used for it, it's a posting platform where the job is posted. It's LinkedIn for arbitration is also I use a LinkedIn data. So you can see the clearly there's we can see the skill gap analysis. So if you are going for the that role, you need the importance of SQL is 92%, Python 78%.
Just 1 second, Hardeep. Just 1 second. Guys, you cannot join at 8:50 when the class is 10 minutes to end and ask for the attendance link. There's no way you're getting it. You cannot join just for the attendance and expect us to share the attendance link with you. Yeah, please go on, Hardeep.
And the third one is SQL is also important for this role, and Power BI and the cloud data warehousing. This is not random data. It's taking data from the LinkedIn posting. So I'm used the source as a LinkedIn. the company is posting job there, so they are asking for these relevant skill. The hiring velocity, I have also used the past data to for check the hiring velocity for the particular company. You can see for January they hired for the same role 1200 opening there, and for February it's a 2500, and for September it's 1800. After it, so we when we try to go with the some certain organization, we also need to understand how the culture work, and the learning and sharing and integrity, how its company work, the code of conduct and excellence. The interview, there's also a tip for interview. Prepare for TCS, NQT, and heavy focus on the logic, reasoning, and numericals during the technical round, and ready to write queries for a paper, shared notepad, and the for so there's also it's a I build for it for myself because I've sometimes feel I should migrate. So I feel ki, if I shifted that, so I there should be also a confirmation that I will be not get stuck, because if the layoff is there, so it's really difficult for me. So it's the tool is also there. The layoff is very low in TCS. The TCS traditionally maintained the high job security, no mass layoff supported in the analyst report for the 26, 25 or 26. And the recent exit, as I mentioned earlier, the migration from the TCS, it's 450% migrated to other companies. The companies Google India, Amazon, and JP Morgan Chase. And the average tenure was 3.2 year. How it's getting data when you put the data on LinkedIn. Suppose you sharing your data, you have posted a new job, so you update on the job. So that's how it's a calculating. Do you are switching to one company or the company? How many profile updated the TCS to the Google, to how they are working. So top recruiter for the same industry. So if you are looking for TCS, might be you have interested with the same other company also, other big brand also. So you can say clearly see the how the they hire the forecast. It's all the forecast is reference from the past data, and the current opening is also there. You can see the current opening is also visible there live. And the most I the most familiar part I need to mention, it's a based made for building a career path. So I have seen that on Instagram there are so many persons saying a roadmap, they do that, this do that. They have not relevant any relevant data behind it, so it's work or not, and in the present condition it's working or not. So I have also built some website. There's a free courses available, so you can check. You can directly download the roadmap. There is a free courses also. You can filter the free courses. You can certification, and then you can print the roadmap also. I use a PDF API to make it print. So it's a you can it's a use for a future reference also.
Good job, Hardeep. Really, really well done. I see there's a lot of work that has gone in. Good job. Nice. Good work. Really nice.
Actually, I'm
And
facing a problem with uploading this, sharing this website, because the even I have to upload it to the server also. But as per the Google policy, they have a limitation restriction to it. So they only the 6 to 4% can visit on this website. Even I have added it to make it live to public. So I'm
you
facing
can
it
do
with the
one
tax.
thing,
So
Hardeep, if that is
yeah,
the problem you're facing. You can do one thing. Is this an AI generated website?
yeah, I have full code of it.
You have full coding of it. Simple.
Yeah,
Upload this in your, you can figure out this way. Upload it in anti-gravity.
yeah,
Have you used the anti-gravity tool?
yeah. I'm using anti-gravity also.
Yeah, upload it in anti-gravity, push it to GitHub, and host it on Vercel. Deploy it on Vercel. Vercel.
Versal, I heard about it also.
Yes. So deploy it there. It is very easy and simple. In anti-gravity, you will get the steps on how to go about it. If you
Yeah, yeah,
want, you can take help of any other AI tool and get the
yeah,
helps on how to deploy it. If you are
yeah.
having a problem with deployment, you can let me know. I'll tell you what to do.
Yeah.
Okay, you can deploy this entire website in hardly some time.
Yeah, I will do. Definitely, I will.
Good.
want-
It's a great project.
Thank you.
Yes. Also, guys, those of you who are asking for the attendance link, if you scroll up, you will have your attendance link. Just scroll up in the meeting. You've been there for quite some time, right? So if you scroll up, the link has been put up almost 10 times. So please fill that link and that will mark your attendance. Yes. Any questions, anyone so far? Any questions? Yes or no would do, guys, in the chat box. Yes or no. Any questions, any queries, anybody?
Can we, ma'am, also create a e-commerce website on Canva?
E-commerce website on Canva.
Uh,
Yes, you can.
okay, ma'am. It's integrated with Shopify tech.
No, you will not be able to have a payment gateway to how much I know. But besides that, you can integrate, you can do it over there. Also, on Google, what you've used, on Google, you can design websites. It's the best way, personally, if you ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
On
Thank you.
Canva, for designing, Canva is great. Like, if you want to design and show it to the client and all of that, Canva is great. That design, you can use it in your Google and then create your app. Yes. Uh, okay. Wait, I'll answer the questions. One second. Sagira, any different AI app? Yes, Sagira on Canva also you can use AI and create your website there. If not that, Google. On Google also you can create your website if you are someone who does not like Lovable and Lovable has credits. So yeah, there. And coming to Isha, what is the difference between Figma and Canva for website designing? Figma is somewhere which just gives you the front end. In Canva, you can also integrate your backend if you want to, right? With Figma, I feel like it just, yeah, attendance link. If you scroll up, you'll find it. Akshita, scroll up, you'll find the attendance link. Yeah, coming back to Isha. So your Figma is your UX, UI, UX designing and all that is great over there. And the templates as well. But let's say you're integrating something, you're adding multiple pages. I wouldn't suggest Figma, but somewhere Figma and Canva do the same job. According to the market, Figma and Canva do the same job. Personally, the experience that you get on Canva is much better than Figma. So that. Any other question, guys? Any queries, any questions about today's class? The chat box is open, ma'am. Can you please ask Mr. Hardeep to share the website link so that I can look through it? Yes, but I don't think he'll be able to share it now. He just said
Actually,
about,
ma'am, there's a problem with the security. Actually, I'm using my own API. So I'm in physical about it's my API is visible or not. It's a paid one. I'm using the paid one, so I'm fair have a fear about if my API is not visible. So definitely, it will be a huge bill for me. They charge me
yes,
huge if the
yeah.
API get leaked.
So that is the problem, Hiba, or else we would have shared it for sure. Is this on your GitHub, Hardeep, by any chance?
I will share the GitHub link
Yeah,
by
he will
tomorrow.
put it on GitHub. You can see it over there if you're able to run that. And since Hiba is a technical student, so getting something from GitHub, you will be able to do. Yeah, good. And Akshita, the link was shared sometime back. If you were in the meeting, you would have seen. If you scroll up, you'll get the link. Fill that link, and that will be your attendance. Okay. Any other doubts, anyone? Anything you want to add? Any other questions? Any other questions? Anyone at all? No. Okay. Wonderful, guys. Then I shall see you tomorrow. Sai Leela, can I check this once? Sure, I will check it. Or tomorrow in tomorrow's class, I'll check it once. I'll let you present it also. Yes. Okay, guys, then we'll wind up for today. It's time anyways. So I shall see you guys tomorrow again at 7 p.m. Until then, take care. Have fun. Bye-bye. See you. Bye, guys. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, mom. Thank
Thank
you
you
all.
so much. Thank you. Bye, Shanavas. Bye, bye, bye. Yes, Shushmita, we can end the meeting.
Yeah, sure, mom. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Good night.